What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Grand Cherokee in this video is the hybrid version. The non-hybrid versions will be the same. So taking a look at our Grand Cherokee's key fob, this button here that's almost a full circle that says X2 on it, that's going to be the remote start button. In order to use the remote start, we're going to press that button twice quickly. The vehicle will respond by flashing its lights, honking, and then starting. The vehicle will run for 15 minutes before automatically turning itself off if we don't get in and put the ignition to the on position. If we want to cancel the remote start, turn the vehicle off before we've gotten in it, we'll press the remote start button one time, and it will turn the vehicle off. Now let's go ahead and remote start it again. So it did remote start. Because this is the hybrid model, you don't always hear that gas engine kick in right when it starts, but then it does turn on. Now in order to actually drive the vehicle, what we'll need to do is get in, and then just press the stop start button. And now you're ready to drive as normal. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.